Hey, hi everyone, this is Anupama and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you guys the making of this cute little flamingos. So let's get started. So first I had taken a waste cardboard and on that I had drawn the shape of a flamingo and using a sharp knife cut it. Now take an aluminium foil and start crushing it according to the shape of the flamingo. Stick it using glue, you can even use hot glue. Completely cover the cardboard with aluminium foil. Attach foil on both the sides. You can see the body is flat here. To give a volume, you can attach more foil so that you can get a structure like this. Now I had taken POP, add glue to it and little bit of water to form a paste. And apply this paste on the foil. Covering both the foil and cardboard. You can also use your fingers to spread the paste evenly. Make the surface soft using your wet fingers. After the first coat, I am applying the second coat. Repeat the same process. Now this is the third and final coat of POP. Apply it carefully. Before it gets dried, soften the surface using your wet fingers. And then let it dry. And now I am using sandpaper to make it extra soft. Now take any air dry clay to make feathers. Here I am using Fevicryl Mold It. You will be getting 2 packs like this. Just mix them thoroughly. You will be forming it out like this. Now take small clay and start forming feathers. First form a teardrop shape. And then cut the edges using sharp knife to form a feather shape. Now stick it over the body using glue. Now start forming the beak or the mouth of the bird. Attach it. And then stick the eyes. Now I will be using these strong metal wires as legs. Insert them carefully. And then cover them using clay to form the shape. And to make them stand, we need a strong base. Here I am using these beads. I'll be sticking these beads to the wooden slice. For the beads to stay in position, I am covering these with clay. Now I am sticking these pebbles to cover the wooden slice completely. Now I am using this PVP paste to cover the pebbles to form a rock structure. Apply it all over the pebbles, covering the gaps. After drying, apply 1 coat of white acrylic paint to the base as well as the flamingos. Now start coloring the base. Here I am using dark brown color. Now I am using this gold acrylic paint. Just dab it using your fingers. Now start coloring the flamingo. Here I am using pink and I am mixing few drops of white to make it light. Applying metallic gold for the beak. Now start applying metallic gold over the feathers using your fingers. Now we are done with the painting of one flamingo. For the other I had used blue, following the same process. Now we need to make them stand over the base. Now insert the legs in the holes and stick them using strong glue. That's it guys, our cute little flamingos are ready for display. You can see how cute they are. That's it guys, I hope you guys liked today's video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it, and do consider subscribing, and do let me know which color do you like the most. You can share your views in the comment section below. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.